Use the removal tool to remove the plastic cover. Use the PH2 cross screwdriver to remove the screw behind the instrument cluster. Remove the plastic cover and push out the other plastic cover from the inside. Loosen 3 screws with the PH2 cross screwdriver. Pull the steering wheel back to make room. Remove the light switch panel to loosen the screw behind it. Remove the ventilation grid. Also, remove the covers on the other side of the steering column. Loosen these screws around the instrument cluster. Now lift the instrument cluster out of its position. You have to apply some force to do this. Disconnect the plug in the instrument cluster. Now plug the module between the instrument cluster and the existing connector. Lay the long cable behind the instrument cluster so that it can be seen below. Replace the blind plug with the software module. You can deactivate the filter very quickly. Instead of removing everything, you only need to replace the software module with the blind plug. If you have to go to the workshop, for example, select the modes option in the app to switch between the individual modes. Change modes via smartphone app or hold the high beam lever 4 times. Repeat the process to switch from mode to mode. Mode 1, the mileage is not counted. The speed indicator did not work. There is no flickering or beeping sound as a confirmation. Please observe the trip meter and the speedometer while you drive to make sure that the kilometers and speed are stationary and do not count. Mode 2, the device only counts 20 km per hour even when you drive at more than 20 km per hour speed. There is no flickering or beeping sound as a confirmation. Please observe the trip meter and the speedometer that doesn't go higher than 20 km per hour. Mode 3, the device is deactivated. Miles are recorded as usual. There is no flickering or beeping sound as a confirmation. Please make sure that the mileage is recorded correctly on the trip meter and that the speedometer displays the correct speed.